Welcome to our podcast. Today we're about to explore a fascinating idea. What if I told you that just 10 minutes of daily conversation can change your English forever?
Yes. And today we're going to prove it with simple real-life conversations that you can use every day.
Do you understand English but struggle to speak? Don't worry, you're not alone. And today we'll fix that together.
Stay with us for the next few minutes. And by the end, you'll learn more than 100 real English sentences you can use in your daily life.
Learning English is not just about words.
It's about confidence, expression, and changing your life for the better.
Hey, are you ready to speak English confidently?
Let's start right now with some simple and powerful conversations.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. What are you doing today?
I'm just finishing some work. That sounds busy.
Yes, but I like staying productive.
Do you have any plans for the evening?
I might watch a movie.
That sounds relaxing. What about you?
I'm thinking of going for a walk.
That's a good idea. The weather is nice today.
Yes, it feels pleasant outside.
Do you like this kind of weather?
Yes, I prefer mild weather.
I agree. It's more comfortable.
Exactly, not too hot or cold.
Have you had your lunch?
Yes, I ate an hour ago.
What did you eat?
I had rice and curry.
That sounds delicious.
It was really tasty.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy it sometimes.
What do you cook usually?
Simple dishes, mostly.
That's good to start with.
Yes, practice makes perfect.
Do you like listening to music?
Yes, I listen every day.
What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy soft and relaxing songs.
That's nice. What about your favorite music?
I like energetic songs.
That sounds fun. Do you watch TV often?
Not much these days.
Why not?
I prefer watching online videos. It's more flexible.
Do you read books?
Yes, sometimes.
What kind of books?
Mostly self-improvement books.
That's great. They help me grow.
Do you exercise regularly?
I try to exercise daily.
That's good for health.
Yes, it keeps me active.
Do you wake up early?
Yes, I wake up at 6 a.m.
That's impressive. It helps me start my day well.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, every morning.
I prefer tea.
Tea is also refreshing.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love exploring new places.
Where do you want to go?
I want to visit the mountains.
That's exciting. What about you?
I want to visit the beach.
Beaches are relaxing.
Yes, I love the sound of waves.
It feels peaceful. Do you like movies?
Yes, especially action movies.
I like romantic movies.
That's interesting. Do you go out often?
Not very often.
Why is that?
I prefer staying at home.
That's comfortable too.
Yes. It saves energy. Do you use social media?
Yes, but not too much.
Same here. It's important to balance.
Do you like meeting new people?
Yes. I enjoy conversations.
That's great. It helps improve communication.
Do you speak English daily?
Yes, I practice every day.
That's very helpful. It improves fluency.
Do you make mistakes sometimes?
Yes, but I learn from them.
That's the right attitude.
Do you like learning new things?
Yes, I'm always curious.
That's a good habit. It keeps life interesting.
Do you feel stressed sometimes?
Yes, occasionally. How do you manage it?
I take breaks and relax.
That's important. Yes, mental health matters.
Do you have hobbies?
Yes, I like reading and music.
That's nice. What are your hobbies?
I enjoy drawing. ...
That's creative. It helps me relax.
Do you like teamwork?
Yes, teamwork is important.
I agree with you. It brings better results.
Do you set goals?
Yes, I set small goals.
That's smart. It keeps me motivated.
Do you like learning online?
Yes, it's convenient.
I also prefer online learning.
It saves time.
Do you like helping others?
Yes, it feels good.
I feel the same. Helping builds connections.
Do you believe in hard work?
Yes, hard work is essential.
Absolutely. It leads to success.
Do you take risks?
Sometimes, when needed.
That's brave. It helps me grow.
Do you like challenges?
Yes, challenges are exciting.
I agree. They improve skills.
Do you stay positive?
I try my best.
That's important. Positivity brings happiness.
Do you like planning?
Yes, I plan my day.
That's organized. It increases productivity.
Do you enjoy life?
Yes, I appreciate small things.
That's wonderful. Life is beautiful.
Remember, fluency doesn't come from perfection.
It comes from practice. So keep speaking every day.
If you enjoyed this conversation,
don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.
Every small step you take today
brings you closer to your confident English future.
Your task for today:
practice at least 10 sentences from this episode.
Speak more, fear less.
And success will follow you.
If you like this podcast, please subscribe to Na English World.